Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court, which is in respect of the mannerism or the jurisdictional requirement of recording the reasons that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. The issue before the Honorable Bombay High Court in the present case was that whether it is a jurisdictional requirement to issue the notice under section 148 that how the learned assessing officer has reached the conclusion that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of BIC Cello India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case is reported in 475 ITR at page number 463, and the date of the judgment is 11th March 2024. The facts of the present case are like this. In the present case, 5 companies merged into the assessee company, that is B. For the assessment year 13-14, the notice to the assessee was issued in respect of a company which has merged into the assessee company on the allegation that there was a deposit of rupees 1,86,33,520, and that is why the AO was making the reason to believe that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment to that extent. When the assessee raised the objections for this notice, it is the submission of the assessee that there are huge cash sales of the assessee, and the assessee has deposited 1,87,39,187 rupees into the single bank account of the assessee, and the assessee has duly recorded all these sales into its books of accounts and has been incorporated into the audited profit and loss account of the assessee and accordingly into the income tax return. But the learned assessing officer rejected the objections of the assessee. That is why the assessee filed the writ petition in the Bombay High Court on the ground that the reasons do not depict the conclusion of the assessing officer, that how he has reached that conclusion that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. When the matter was heard by the court said that in the present case, the return of the assessee was processed under section 143 subsection 1, and according to the Bombay High Court, even if the return is processed under section 143 subsection 1 and the assessment of the assessee is not completed under section 143 subsection 3 in the earlier occasions, even then it is mandatory on the part of the assessing officer to record in reasons that how he has reached the conclusion that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. In the present case, the court said that the assessing officer has grossly failed to mention in the reasons that how he has reached the conclusion that the alleged cash deposit is different from the cash deposit which is done by the assessee. The crux of the matter is that the assessee was already showing the cash deposit into the bank account. So it was the viewpoint of the Bombay High Court that how the assessing officer has reached the conclusion that the alleged cash deposit into the bank account is different from the cash deposit by the assessee. The assessing officer has grossly failed to demonstrate this thing, and even the alleged amount is different from the cash deposit which is done by the assessee into the bank account. So the notice has been issued in wrong and incorrect facts, and it was the viewpoint of the court that the assessing officer should be satisfied before issuing the notice under section 148 that the assessing officer has reason to believe that income has escaped assessment on correct facts. So in the present case, the facts were incorrect, and in the present case, the AO has grossly failed to demonstrate that how the alleged cash deposit is different from the cash deposit by the assessee into the regular course of business. So in the present case, the court quashed the notice under section 148 because there was a total failure on the part of the assessing officer to record in the reasons that how he has reached the conclusion that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is BIC Sallow India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 475 ITR at page number 463, and the date of the judgment is 11th March 2024. Thank you, friends.